How much does a cloud weigh? Let's find out. Clouds are made up of tiny droplets of water or ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere. They form when warm, moist air rises, cools, and condenses. There are several types of clouds categorized based on their appearance and altitude. On high clouds such as cirrus, cirrostratus, and cirrocumulus typically form in the highest and coldest regions of the troposphere. They occur at altitudes ranging from about 5 to 12 kilometers or 16,500 to 40,000 feet in temperate latitudes. High clouds are generally composed of ice crystals due to the cold temperatures at these heights. These clouds are thin and wispy, allowing sunlight to pass through and warming the Earth's surface. They can indicate an approaching change in weather, such as a storm. 2. Middle clouds, which include altostratus, altocumulus, and nimbostratus, typically form at altitudes ranging from 2 to 7 kilometers or 6,500 to 23,000 feet in temperate latitudes. These clouds can be composed of water droplets, ice crystals, or a combination of both, depending on the temperature at these altitudes. Middle clouds often precede precipitation and can signal changing weather conditions. 3. Low clouds such as cumulus, stratus, stratocumulus, and cumulonimbus typically have bases below 6,500 feet or about 2,000 meters above the ground. Thick low clouds like stratus block sunlight, cooling the Earth's surface and often bringing precipitation. 4. Vertical clouds such as cumulonimbus clouds typically have their bases at altitudes ranging from below 2 kilometers or 6,600 feet to as high as 2.5 kilometers or 8,200 feet in temperate climates. However, these clouds can grow vertically and extend much higher, often reaching the top of the troposphere, which can be up to 12 kilometers or 39,000 feet or even more. Vertical clouds are associated with severe weather such as thunderstorms. Additionally, there are special types like mammatus, lenticular, and contrails. A typical cumulus cloud measuring about 1 kilometer across weighs approximately 1.1 million pounds or about 500,000 kilograms due to its water content, which is around 0.5 grams per cubic meter. Larger clouds like cumulonimbus clouds can weigh significantly more, with estimates reaching up to 2 million tons. Despite their weight, clouds remain suspended in the atmosphere because the tiny water droplets are less dense than the surrounding air, allowing them to float. Thunderstorm clouds, such as cumulonimbus clouds, weigh more than cumulus clouds, primarily due to their larger size and higher water content. Thunderstorm clouds can be about 10 kilometers tall. They contain approximately 2 grams of water per cubic meter compared to cumulus clouds, which are about 1 kilometer tall with only 1/4 gram of water per cubic meter. This results in thunderstorm clouds weighing around 2 million tons, significantly more than the 250 tons typical for cumulus clouds. The intense updrafts within thunderstorms lift large amounts of moisture high into the atmosphere, where it condenses into liquid droplets. This process, combined with the release of latent heat, contributes to the high water content. Isn't it mind-boggling that so much water is held within the clouds, yet they float around in the sky so effortlessly? Next time you look up at the clouds, remember how astounding they are, defying the laws of gravity and floating high up there despite being heavier than anything that cannot float in the sky, even you. If you like this information, please subscribe my channel so that my videos will be promoted to all who will want to view such content. Thank you.